Once a forgotten space, cracked concrete, oil stains, rusty tools, and fading light, we begin the resurrection. Deep cleaning and meticulous surface preparation, grinding the floor, leveling imperfections, sealing with high-gloss epoxy for endurance. Walls reborn, stained to pristine white, creating a gallery-caliber backdrop. Industrial LEDs installed, soft yet powerful, precision lighting with controlled shadows. Luxury tool cabinets slide in, organized, silent, and ready for performance. Two-post hydraulic lift assembled. Stability, safety, effortless elevation. Exotic supercar arrives, gliding onto a flawless mirror gloss floor. Detailing begins. Every bolt checked, surfaces refined, reflections perfected. From grime to grandeur, the ultimate supercar workshop. Precision crafted, cinematic, ultra realistic.